how to log in to Jet2 Holidays. So if you want to log in for Jet2 Holidays, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for Jet2 Holidays. Once you've searched, here you will have jet2holidays.com on the first search. Click on that first search and it will take you to the website. So now you can simply go for accept all, and then you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right, and here you can go for sign in or create account. Once you click on that, from here you need to enter your email address to sign into your account. And once you enter your email address, click on continue, and now you need to verify your account. So simply click on send verification code so that you will receive a code to your email inbox. Open up your Gmail, and here you will have your code. Copy the code, paste it here, and click on verify and enter your password. So if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password option. You can click on that so that you can enter your email address and you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and click on continue. And that's it, you've been logged into your account. So that's how you log into my Jet2 Holidays, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.